Hi there, I'm Peter Vox, the Director and Principal Teacher of Vox Singing Academy here in beautiful Melbourne, Australia. Just an announcement regarding Vox Singing Academy moving forward for the next 6 weeks up until the 13th of September. We are in stage 4 restrictions here, and with that happening we have decided to move all of our singing lessons, our face-to-face in-studio singing lessons, to online singing lessons. Now we use Skype or Zoom, and we're guaranteeing that our singing lessons are going to be of the highest quality still, as long as you've got a good connection. All our lessons are going to be running in the same format as what our face-to-face in-studio singing lessons will be running, so they're exactly the same format, so no one's going to miss out on any quality. They're going to be run in exactly the same fashion. We're really trying to put a positive spin on this. We are still running our student concerts. We're running online student concerts, which are now a regular feature for the next 2 months. We're going to be running those every Sunday at 1 p.m. so all our students have got an opportunity to perform live in front of an audience 1 p.m. so talk to your teacher about that. But for anyone else out there as well too, there has never been a better time to take singing lessons, especially during these times when you think you want to do something that's going to be fun, get the endorphins going. It's a really, really great thing and a great hobby to do so. We're running online singing lessons. We guarantee singing results in just 3 weeks. Whether you're an absolute hobby singer, we teach absolute hobby singers, beginners, all the way through to professional singers with major label recording contracts. I've been teaching since 1993. We teach contemporary singing. We're not a classical school. I've been personally teaching online singing lessons for close to 20 years. I actually used a program way before Skype and Zoom called Jitsi, if anyone knows of that. But I've been giving online singing lessons for a very long time, and I've trained up all of my teachers to give online singing lessons to the highest quality using Skype or Zoom. If you're not wanting face-to-face singing lessons via Skype or Zoom, guys, also please check out the Ultimate Online Singing Course. Amazing value. My lessons are $60 per half an hour, but we've got full courses starting at $19.95 and short courses starting at $14.95. So also check that out at voxsingingacademy.com. If we could help you or someone that you know with their singing or your singing, we'd be absolutely honoured. So please check out the links below, and we'll help you out with any inquiries during these times here. The bottom line is, guys, please stay positive through these uncertain times. We're going to get through these times. We're going to band together, and we're going to come out of this bigger, better, and stronger in the future. And really, please check in on your loved ones and take care of each other. Much love and respect. And until I hear more, I'll do another update. Thank you very much. Much love.